To carry out the following steps, you will need a 2.5mm Allen key. To adjust the belt tension of the Y-axis, open the printer's menu, go to Utilities, Maintenance, Move Printing Surface, and lower the print surface. Turn the printer off and unplug the power cable. Push the X-axis towards the back of the printer. Loosen the screws that hold the idler to the belt on the side of the frame to let this piece move freely. Adjust the belt tension with the two screws located on the inside of the idler, one above and one below the belt pulley. By tightening these screws, you add more tension to the belt. That's why it's important to tighten both belts by the same amount. If you'd like to reduce the tension, you can loosen the screws. The belts should be tight enough that they can be pushed together with two fingers without having to put excessive force on them. Once the tension is adjusted, tighten the screws that secure the idler to the printer's frame. Before adjusting the belt tension on the X-axis, it's recommended to remove the purge buckets as well as the bracket holding the silicone wiper. First, adjust the left printhead's belt. To do this, move both printheads to the right to be able to access the idler. Loosen the two screws that hold the idler to the motor bracket from the bottom to let this piece move freely. Adjust the tension the same way as the Y-axis, so that the belts can be pushed together with two fingers without having to put excessive force on them. Once adjusted, tighten the screws that hold the idler to the motor bracket. Then adjust the right printhead's belt. To do this, move both printheads to the left and repeat the previously mentioned process.